Our Crawlspace and Basement series removes high moisture in areas where mold, mildew, musty odors, and corrosion can easily appear. We have developed new, innovative features right here in our factory for our energy-saving dehumidifiers. They are Sentinel HDI 90, Sentinel HD 90, Sentinel HD 55. Machines in this series are stackable to save room. Every dehumidifier is ENERGY STAR qualified due to its super energy efficiency, and they continue to remove water even at lower temperatures. These machines do very well in low temperature environments. These dehumidifiers have horizontal but compact size, lightweight, stackable design, and are easy to transport. They perform like large COP dehumidifiers, yet fit where others don't. Households, industrial, research fields, manufacturing, processing, drying, testing, storage and packing, many different applications. Prominent features and functions of Crawlspace and Basement series. Super COP, ENERGY STAR qualified. Ducting options for divided spaces. Remote control equipped. Coated coils with stainless side plates. Quick access to pump and main board. Engineered for low temperature operation. Quick water pump cleaning and changing.